Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and welcome back to the series of course Information and Business Management. This is week number 12, and chapter name is Types of Information, Technology, and Business Information. And one thing I just want to clear that don't mix this chapter number 12 with chapter number 11. Chapter number 12 is mainly about IT, okay, and business intelligence. The thing is that, okay, first of all, let's start with the first slide. That is, what is information technology, IT? Many people have confusion regarding IT. Let's clear your information by looking this slide. Information technology, IT, means using computers, internet, software, and devices to store, manage, and share information. Okay, what we are doing, we are using these type of things for what? Store, manage, and share information. IT mainly used to do this thing. IT helps, if we talk about the business term, IT helps businesses to work faster, save time, and stay connected with employees and customers. Okay, let's talk about the importance of information technology in business. Um, IT is important because it helps to communicate quickly. We are communicating with what? We are communicating people or customer with the help of email, with the help of WhatsApp, video calls, Skypes, and many other social media platforms. Okay, different platforms. Secondly, store and manage. What IT do? IT store, manage data safely. Okay, like we have databases, cloud storage. Okay. Next, we have make business work easier. How? We are using accounting softwares, HR softwares, marketing softwares, and many so on. Help in marketing. IT helps in marketing. How? IT in IT we have social media. Social media we have talk about the Facebook, Instagram, and lots of social media platforms, even the websites. Okay. Last but not the least, make fast decisions. Same we have discussed in the previous chapter. Data analysis tools. With the help of data analysis tools, we make the fast decisions. Okay, types of IT information business, information technology in businesses. We have hardware, software, networking, databases, cloud computing, cybersecurity. Let's talk about the hardware. It means physical devices like computer, laptops, printers, smartphones. We mainly means we in information technology. Hardware means like we have physical form. Okay, software like untangible, or you cannot. We say you can say that these are not physical form. Like example, talking about the programs that help in task, Microsoft Office, accounting softwares, or you can say that the Excel's. Okay, softwares, networking, internet. If there is no internet, or you cannot have networking like Wi-Fi and the systems that connect people inside and outside the company. Okay, networking, databases. What databases do? Stores important company data in one place for easy access. Okay, cloud computing. What cloud computing means? Storing and using data over the internet, like Google Drive, Dropbox, and many others. So on. Cybersecurity means protecting company data from hackers and cyber attacks. Okay, this is the types of information technology in business. Let's talk about the most important thing, which is the what is business intelligence BI. What is business intelligence BI? Business intelligence BI means using data and technology. What we are doing over here, business intelligence BI means using data and technology to understand business performance and make smart decisions. What means business means using data and technology. We are using two things, data and technology, for what? Understand business performance. For understanding the business performance, we are using data and technology, and what we are getting the result, make better smart decisions. Okay, business intelligence BI help managers know what is happening in the company and take quick actions. Okay, let's talk about the importance of the business intelligence. BI helps to analyze sales and performance data easily. Talking about the sales performance, identify problems quickly, predict future trends like which product will sales more, improve decision making, stay ahead of competitors. You can give a tough time to your competitors. Okay, now let's see the type of examples of business intelligence tools. Let's see the tools. We have Microsoft Power BI. This is the most trending software used in many different organizations. What it do? Make beautiful reports. Means it makes reports and dashboards. Power BI. Okay, Google Data Studio. What it do? Create free reports using Google data. Okay, it create reports and using Google data. Tableau. This is also one of the second or most popular software. What it do? Advanced data visualization tools. Like visual, you got a visualizing tool in like advanced data. Okay, Tableau. Excel charts, or you can see the Excel, MS Excel, and pivot tables. Simple tools for quick data reports. Okay, let's see with the help of example of IT and BI working together. How IT and BI working together? Like I give example of clothing brand uses IT system to collect sales data and uses business intelligent tools to see what it use. Like talking about the business brand, clothing business brand, which collect which clothes are selling most. Thinking about the Power BI, which store is performing well, both. Which product needs promotions? Okay, intelligence. Result: the company makes more profit by focusing on best selling item. If the company is selling 10 items, so it give you more profit by focusing on the best selling items. Okay, so that give a conclusion to this chapter. What we have discussed in the chapter: information technology helps businesses to work fast and stay organized. Business intelligence helps businesses to make smart decisions using data. Together, they improve customer satisfaction, profit, and business growth. So this is all from this chapter. And once again, I would like to recall you that don't forget to subscribe my channel, give your comments and like my video. Give your genuine comment that what type of thing you like in the video and what type of improvement you need in the future, so that I can make my video more eye catching, or you can say that interesting. And thank you very much. See you in the next video. To then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.